Governor Makinde of Oyo State has declared that he possesses the capacity to lead Nigeria as president come 2027. Makinde made this known during an appearance on Channel's television Politics Today program on Tuesday. He emphasized that his achievement as governor have proven his ability to occupy the nation's highest office. However, Makinde noted that while he believes in his ability, he remains uncertain about whether it aligns with the will of the people or his party at this time.
Well, when somebody said Governor Makinde, some 7 years ago, my question was, look, governor of which Rotary district? President Makinde, maybe president of my town union, perhaps. But let me say this, Sheung. I don't have any doubt that I have the capacity to occupy the highest office in this land, and I have what it takes. But is it what I want to do right now? Is it what Nigerians are asking for? Is it what my party will say we should do? I don't know. We still have a long time to go. Where we are right now is, we must fix our party. You must have a platform for you to even aspire to be anything. And let me also say this: if my political journey ends right here, I am also very happy. When I joined politics in 2007, I wanted to go to the Senate. I wanted to be a senator. But now, not only have I achieved more than that by being the governor of my state, I've also cherished the opportunity that people gave to me to make my own little difference.
The governor stressed that the immediate priority for leaders of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, is to rebuild and stabilize the party. He also asserted his commitment to purposeful governance and rejected populist politics, saying no one would dictate his political direction. Makinde made it clear that any future political move he makes would be rooted in thorough preparation and a strong sense of responsibility. While Makinde's comment has generated mixed reactions, please drop your opinion in the comment box section below. As we continue to keep you updated, keep watching NaijaNews TV.